Alright, so you. Okay. Okay, I get this. Come on, Sushi Cat. Come. Fat cat. I get it. Golden sushi! Aw. Heavy cat. Okay, so we have 3 left. I just want my golden sushis. Ooh. Yes! Okay. 50. This has to work. All the sushi! Sushi! 3 sushi. Yes. Too bad. I fell my way. Ooh, it's gonna be hard. How am I gonna get that? I'm not gonna get that. I failed this. I failed this level. Dang it! Did I get it? I love this part. Ready? Shoot, I can't go. Find your way through, Sushi Cat! I have 2 left. Am I gonna make this? I made it! Yes! I completely just learned that all. Ooh, this is far. You're so cute! That little sushi cake. How would you even fit into that? I don't know. No! Yes! I don't want him going the same way. I'm gonna fail at this. I have 2 cats left, really? No! I think I'm gonna have to replay this level. I completely failed. Sushi cat. Try again. Get that golden sushi. Yes. Good. Get it down. Down all the way. 1 here, 1 here. No! Yeah, I got at least 1 golden sushi. Oh. Okay. Getting this way. One left. You're so fast. No! Ooh, I got an full belly though. Yes. So I did not fail that. Next level. Usually every ones that look easy are really hard. Yep, I told you. Ooh. Bacon? Did you just say bacon? Is it shopping for bacon? No. Oh. Fine. I'll do whatever you say. So cute. Come on, come on, come on. Ow, my ear hurts. Golden Sushi! Golden Sushi! I just want golden sushi. Let me get golden sushi! Ooh. Oh, we have 2 left. I thought I meant we had 1 more. Now we have 1 more. Final! Yes! No! Try again. Come on, kitty. Got it. Dang it! It bounced into 50. Barely like to win. No! No! Yes, okay. No! No! That was a horrible shot. You think we could get a little? No! Oh my god, that took me so long. Sushi cat! I knew I was gonna do that. Got it. No! Dang it! 2 cats left. It smashed him! I didn't make it. Oh, dang it. No! Come on, baby. Oh, we can't do this. We're gonna... We did it! Yes. Oh, I'm a little pirate. Oh, I think we already did this time. Okay. You're so cute. Okay. You're so fat. Actually, we possibly might make this. Oh, we're gonna make this. We have to make this. Come on, Sushi Cat. Sushi Cat. Just get down already. New outfit unlocked. Okay, that's kind of weird. Oh, got it. No, I didn't. Dang it. Yay! I'm like a little kid on Christmas. Get the sushi! Final cat. Ooh. No! Four flips left. We won't make this. We're not gonna make this. No. We failed that. We are not gonna make it. No! We didn't make it! We did not make that! Dang it. One flip left. It's gonna be for the very No, we missed the cool juice. Oh no, we didn't. No! Well, I'm done with this episode. We'll continue that later, I guess. So,